Hi, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going to do a comparison between the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the all-new DJI Mini 4 Pro, and is it worth upgrading? The Mini series of drones from DJI have been extremely popular over the last couple years, and with each new version, they keep getting better and better, and the Mini 4 Pro is no exception. Here we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the DJI RC Controller and the DJI Mini 4 Pro with the all-new DJI RC2 controller. At first glance, they look very similar on the outside, but today's video is going to focus on the internal specs and features. So let's get started. The weight. Both the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro both weigh 249 grams with the standard battery. With this size and weight, this drone can literally go anywhere with you so you can capture your adventure from above. Cameras. The Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro both have the same 1 and 1.3 inch CMOS sensor that captures 48 megapixel photos at 24 millimeters and an f-stop at 1.7, and both feature the option of true vertical shooting. Where they start to separate is that the max video resolution and frame rate of the Mini 3 Pro is 4K at 60 FPS, where the Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 4K at 100 FPS. You can now grab that perfect slow motion shot that you've seen on higher end drones and cameras. Transmission system. The Mini 3 Pro features the O3 transmission system, where the Mini 4 Pro has the all-new O4 transmission system. So what does this mean for you? Well, with the O4 system, it will give you up to 20 kilometers of range, where the O3 had a 12 kilometer range. And that is a massive upgrade, and you will have no video streaming interruptions back to your controller. Obstacle avoidance. At our store, it is not uncommon to have a couple customers a week come in with a crashed Mini 3 Pro due to it not having lateral obstacle avoidance. We are surrounded by palm trees here, and it is quite easy to catch one of those and take your drone down. The Mini 4 Pro now features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which means you are covered from the front to the back, side to side, and top to bottom. The obstacle avoidance tech on the Mini 3 Pro featured APAS 4.0, and the Mini 4 Pro now features APAS 5.0. This gives better situational awareness on the Mini 4 and will be able to navigate around obstacles to help capture that exact shot that you envisioned. Flight time. With the standard battery on the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro, you will both get 34 minutes of flight time. If you upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you could expect 47 minutes on the 3 and 45 minutes on the 4. With all the new onboard technology and sensors, we expected a slightly lower battery time on the 4. Remote controllers. The Mini 3 Pro Smart Controller was such a great advancement for pilots that do not want to tie up a phone or a tablet to control your drone, and we had great experiences with the DJI RC Controller. When the Air 3 was released a few months ago, the RC2 made its debut, and while they look very similar, the O4 transmission system is broadcasting through these external antennas, giving you better range and reception. So, is it worth the upgrade? Yes, it definitely is. The obstacle avoidance alone is worth upgrading. As technology advances, drones will continue to evolve and get safer with each new release. The O4 transmission system, the RC2 remote, and a mind-blowing 20 kilometer range will ensure that you get the perfect shot on every single flight. To purchase the all-new DJI Mini 4 Pro, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. Thank you again for watching, and as always, have a great day.